Ever pondered on the intricacies of setting up a gaming station in Pakistan in the year 2024? Well, today marks your lucky day as we delve into a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you navigate this thrilling endeavor. Step 1. Kickstart your journey by defining your budget. Gaming, as we know it, can be as economical or as extravagant as you allow it to be. From high-end gaming PCs that cost a small fortune to affordable consoles like the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, the choice lies in your hands. Remember, allocate funds for a comfortable gaming chair and a sturdy desk, crucial elements often overlooked. Step 2. Select your gaming platform of choice. Whether you're a PC enthusiast or a console devotee, your preference will dictate the components required. For PC gamers, the heart of your setup lies in a powerful processor, a robust graphics card, ample RAM, and a solid-state drive. Console gamers, on the other hand, need only to choose between the latest PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch. Step 3. Invest in a high-quality display. A monitor or television with a fast refresh rate and low response time can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Opt for a screen size that complements your gaming style. Immersive RPGs might benefit from a larger screen, while competitive gamers might prefer a smaller, faster display. Step 4. Don't skimp on your input devices. A responsive keyboard and a precise mouse are vital for PC gamers, while console gamers should consider investing in an extra controller or two. And let's not forget about a quality headset to keep you connected with your team. Step 5. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection. In the world of online gaming, a steady, fast internet connection is a must-have. Consider investing in a high-speed broadband connection, and if possible, opt for a wired connection over wireless for stability. Step 6. Choose the right games. From action-packed first-person shooters to complex strategy games, there's a vast sea of options available. Choose games that align with your interests, and remember, gaming is about having fun. In summary, setting up a gaming station in Pakistan in 2024 involves a careful balance of budgeting, choosing the right hardware, investing in a quality display and input devices, ensuring a reliable internet connection, and selecting games that spark joy. So, gear up, dive in, and embark on this exhilarating journey of creating your very own gaming haven.